Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to unbox Pokemon Winter Celebration on DVD. This is a compilation with a couple winter themed Pokemon episodes, and yeah. This is a part of a haul that I've gotten, such DVDs and stuff. Come on. So this is cool. I'm gonna unbox this right now. I don't really have much else to say here. This is my first video on the channel, and I like seeing just collecting stuff, collecting the media and stuff, and yeah. I don't know if this is a really good first impression, but here you go. And there's your disc. So yeah, just a short video, but I don't really have much else to say here. This guy's nice artwork, but yeah, I like the slipcover here. It's pretty nice. So yeah, there it is, Pokemon Winter Celebration. Hope you guys enjoyed.